today's class in Houston, Dallas, and Austin. Samples from today's class. This is a pretty one. That's French Pussy Willow coming out of the top, an assortment of flowers in a classic American design. Next, we have a contemporary bird of paradise piece. Simple, clean, modern. They love this one. The students love this one. Third, we learned how to do traditional funeral or wedding spray. Fourth, we did a lovely Japanese influenced design called Parallel Designs with our kale, our root beer colored roses. So all this was done in a day at American School of Flower Design. If you want to join us in class and learn how to design and learn how to do it quickly, you do not need a 6-week class to learn how to be a flower designer. They are wasting your time. You come to American School of Flower Design and learn math, science, and architecture and a jizzle and a drizzle of creativity, and we will get you here. These are all done by our students. This is their 4th day of classes. Flower School 101, the proof is in the pudding. Ciao.